What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be installing brakes on the C63. Now we're currently waiting on UPS to bring the front rotors, but I do have the rear rotors right here and the front and rear pads, and then also new hardware. If you are wondering how much I spent, it's approximately around like $1,500–$1,600 on all the parts. As you can see, everything is from Brembo. So here's the rear rotors, and then, like I said, the pads as well. I did end up getting the brakes from like different suppliers. I got the front rotors from FCP Euro. I got the rear rotors directly from Brembo because FCP Euro doesn't carry the Brembo rear rotors. And then in the brake pads and the hardware I got from Rock Auto. So the reason why I wanted to get new rotors is you can see that these rotors do have a lip on them, and they are pretty grooved. Man, look at this paint peeling up. I'm gonna have to get these calipers redone sometime at some point. And I also want to get these wheels refinished. I really like the OEM wheels, but I don't want to go and buy aftermarket wheels right now, so I'm just gonna get these redone. It's probably about $200 a wheel to get them refinished. So for the rear brakes, it's fairly easy. All you got to do is pop out these 2 pins right here using like a screwdriver and a little hammer. And then after you do that, this metal bracket will come out. You can pull the pads out. But before you pull the pads out, you could take like a flathead screwdriver and just wedge it in here, and then you can push the pistons back that way using these. And then in order to take the caliper off, if you're doing rotors, you're going to have to loosen up this tie rod and move it out of the way so you can get to the caliper bolts that are back here. But it's pretty simple. Make sure when you are putting the new pads in, start putting the pins in, and it will kind of help you get this clip in there a little bit easier. Alright, so the new rotors and pads are on the rear. And all I gotta do is the front, but I don't think I'm gonna take them apart yet because UPS still hasn't gotten here with the front rotors. So I don't wanna go ahead and take them apart, you know, UPS doesn't show up and then the car's sitting in the air. So I'm just gonna leave the front wheels on for now, and then when they come, I will start taking everything apart. So here they are, the two-piece rotors. These things are absolutely massive. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking apart the front brakes now. And it is the same setup as the rear, so same process. Alright, so I just got this side finished up on the passenger side. And man, these rotors are just absolutely nuts. Like, look at these things. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now, and we'll be done. Alright, so I'm all finished up with the brakes. This side I did do off camera because this side was very painful to do. The bottom pin on the caliper would not come out, so I actually had to cut it and then it could be pushed out from there. But it was very difficult, probably took a couple hours to get that one done. Got to take this thing on a quick test drive, make sure it's all good. That is going to do for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure you do smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We will catch you guys in the next video.